Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying the essentials. Your Minecraft client and server versions match, and any mods are identical. Next, make sure the server has enough RAM, set JVM args like XMX4G for stability, and that world backups exist. Once done, open port 25565 on your router and assign a static IP to the host so NAT won't shift addresses. Do this now. It prevents intermittent disconnects and explains why players drop when the host IP changes or memory hits limits. Now dive into configuration. Set up port forwarding or enable UPnP, then verify the port is reachable with an external check. Adjust server properties, lower view distance to reduce lag and increase max stick time if the server stalls. Once done, audit plugins and mods, disable suspected conflicts, and update everything to compatible builds. Also throttle background tasks on the host machine and prioritize the Java process. These steps reduce packet loss and CPU spikes that cause rubber banding and timeouts. Finish by stabilizing the environment. Prefer wired Ethernet over Wi-Fi and enable CoS on your router to prioritize Minecraft traffic. Set sensible server limits, max players, and a scheduled restart to avoid memory creep. Once done, test with a small group and monitor TPS and ping. If issues remain, capture server logs, run continuous pings, and a trace route to the affected player. These show where packets drop. If you find a bottleneck, scale RAM or move to a hosted server. This often fixes persistent disconnects.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.